Your phone is part of your daily life. There's nothing worse than having a cracked screen and trying to use your phone. Don't let your broke phone ruin your day. Tech Boys specializes in affordable screen repair with same-day service. Tech Boys, 2126 Hope Mills Road, next to Tammy's Thrift and Craft, across from Sherwood Park Elementary. Looking to upgrade? Tech Boys will buy your smartphone and give you cash the same day, or buy your next phone there with no contract.
Take your tech to the boys. Tech Boys on Hope Mills Road.